Yeah, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Salesforce real-time scenarios. Today we are discussing about to the another real-time scenario, that is the combination of the flows and LWC. So how both are integrate for the flows and LWC, how we are calling the flows in the LWC. That is the we are discussing to in this video. Before going to that, so here we have the use case. So our use case is the we have the displayed by the filtered account lookup only for the we have to display by the active accounts only for the user selection. We don't want to select by the um, uh, inactive accounts. So we have to only select by the active accounts. That's why we have to create the one filter lookup, and after that in subsequently we user can select the any active account, right, from the lookup. So based on the selection we have the retrieve the opportunities, nothing but the that account associated opportunities we have to retrieve. And finally what we have the fetched opportunities, those are display into the in the LWC data table. This is the our use case. First step is the we have to display by the filter lookup for the account, that too which are the accounts are the active accounts only. And after that user can able to select by the any one of the account, right? So based on that selection of the account, we have to retrieve the opportunity records selected account related to that account. And finally, what we have the retrieve opportunity, those are we have to display it into the LWC data table for the user friendly purpose. Sorry. So how we are going to achieve this scenario? So we have the flows. In the flows we have the powerful tool we have, right? Powerful we have the choice lookup we have. So based on that we have the filter to the records. We have to filter by the records, right? So we have to use it by the choice lookup field. We can filter by the active accounts only. So after that this we have to this flow we have to display it by the into the LWC component. So how we are going to call the flows into the LWC, we have to see. And after that user can select now again in the flows we have to retrieve by the all the opportunities without writing the any single line of the code, apex code. And we are not writing by the any LDS, lightning data service also. We are not writing the any lightning data service and not writing the any apex class. Without to writing the apex class and lightning data service, we have to retrieve the opportunities also. And filter lookup also same, without writing the any apex code. So we have to use it by the in the flow. So we have the choice lookup field. So based on that we have the filter the record. So we have the retrieve the opportunities. After that opportunities we have to display it by the in the standard data table format. So that's why here we are using the LWC data table. So how we are going to pass the data from the flows to LWC component. Let's see why, because means we have to retrieve the all the opportunities in the flows. So those opportunity list of the data we have to pass into the LWC. So how we are going to pass it and how to we can display it by the list of the opportunities we can discuss. So here join us to walk through the step-by-step implementation for this solution, how we are going to implement. So before going to the implement, we can preview the this use case. So let's come to the our Salesforce org. So here we have this is the account. So this is the we have the only showcase the active accounts only. For example, I'm selecting by the Ed communication. So click on to this account related opportunities only we have the displayed. See here. If you back to the again, so if you select by the any other account, so for example here we have to select by this Zini point. These are Okay, so like this, we have to display it by the list of the opportunities in the LWC data table. Actually, this flow was implemented into the screen flow. That screen flow we have called into the LWC component. So how it is that? And one more scenario also we have. For example, I'm selecting by the any one of the account. So we don't have the any opportunities. We have to display it by the message. No opportunity records. There is no opportunity records. We have to display it by the message as well. So let's see how we are going to implement this one step by step. Stay tuned for the next video, how we are going to implement. And before that, we have to see the after completion of this video, you have to understand the how to use the choice lookup and how to get it by the selected choice lookup value. We have to get it now, which is value they are selecting. How to retrieve the records from the flows, right? we we have to retrieve by the opportunity records. How we are going to retrieve, and how to loop the records one by one record. How we are going to loop it by the records, and how to call the screen flow into the in the LWC. So if you want to call the flow into the LWC, we have to do the some configuration part in the metadata XML. So what is the configuration? We have to see. And after how to pass the list of the data, we have to get it the list of the opportunities that records how we are going to pass into the LWC. And list of the data also we are passing the from the screen flows to LWC. Na? So here we have to use it by the meta XML. So we have to do the some configuration properties for the meta XML. We can see that is also. And we have the previous button. When we click on, we have to refresh by the values and we have to display by the latest data. So how we are going to achieve this use case, we can discuss to the step by step. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.